All right, so we're visiting my brother and sister-in-law. She's a nurse, and we brought her a gift because she's been working in Brown County, which is a highly infected area, and working really hard. Patty, can you tell us anything about your experiences?
Just that we are seeing an influx of patients now. We're seeing a lot more patients. Our COVID floor had more patients than the regular floor. We have a specific ICU set up for COVID patients, plus we have one complete floor that is negative pressure for the patients. So
What are your hours like right now?
right now I'm working my regular hours. We're asked to pick up some extra hours, so it's been busy. So
Yeah.
And it's increasing. I think it's just only going to get worse before it gets better.
Do you think it's just like the flu, like everybody says?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not like the flu when you have people that are there. The one video was a patient that had been there for 3 weeks. So people are there for weeks before
Well,
they're released.
I'd like to thank you for everything you're doing. All right.
Thank you.